until you're able to dissect, decode the shadow in every story, you are not doing your professional black work, nigga. Your professional melanin work. Until you're able to decode the shadow. Because they operate or have to operate in the shadow, because the shadow is what dictates your reality. These so-called darker images are designed to challenge and speak to the darker part of you. Mind you, as I pointed out, they represent beauty on the other side, or the true light on the other side. Down here, they represent darkness based upon that light, or your soul being oppressed. Your oppressive soul is reflecting or your light in the body is a reflection of the ugliness that surrounds it. So your humanity is actually the ugly thing. We just have come to look at that in a reversed role, as your humanity is beautiful and what humans can become is beautiful, and a human helping humans is beautiful. No, what's in you can be looked at as beautiful, because you could do a human act that's beautiful, or a human act you could do ugly as well. I go to your office right now and shit on your desk. That's the potential of humanity as well as the potential to save 1,000 ducks from sure death. You get what I'm saying? Or to save a kid from jumping in front of a kid before he got hit by a car. Yeah, that potential is in humanity, but the same potential to throw a fucking kid in front of a car exists in you too. That's the duality that's in you. So human acts are good and bad, but you have fell in a polarized state, without getting into all of that.